what is insurance? So introduction to insurance. So insurance is basically, it's actually a contract between two parties, whereby one party called insurer undertakes in exchange for a fixed sum called premium to pay the other party happening of a certain event. As we all know that कि insurance किसके लिए लेंगे? For any uncertainties, for जो चीज predictable नहीं है, हमको पता नहीं है आगे क्या होने वाला है, उसके लिए we take a security. That is insurance. So insurance is a means of protection from financial loss. It is a form of risk management, basically. Primarily, like we have to manage risk we can manage risk by taking insurance. So it's a primarily used to hedge against the risk and the contingent or uncertain loss. So where there is insurance, there is risk. So you hire the insurance, you can lower your risk. So what is basically risk? Risk is the possibility of financial loss. So where there is insurance, there is risk. We can understand risk is a part and parcel of our daily lives. Because risks are all around us, whether we are aware of them or not, whether we ignore it or we may familiar with some risk, or we there are some risks which we escaped our attention. Like for example, whenever we go out our house, our parents are worried ki, whether you or me or my son or daughter is coming safe, like because there is a risk of road accident also, there the risk of life is involved. So basically कहीं पर भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, whenever you are doing some activities or like slip हो गए या गिर गए या कुछ भी, anything, that is risk. And फायर, बिकॉज शॉप में फायर हो गया या सिलेंडर बर्स्ट हो गया, एनीथिंग, यू तो उन सबका इंश्योरेंस से रिस्क एंड इंश्योरेंस इज related things. So risk is basically depends on two types of perils, we can say. One is natural and the other one is man-made. What is natural peril is basically the activities which are based on the act of gods, like tsunami, flood, earthquake, etc. And man-made is like fire, theft, strikes, accidents, and corona ko bhi we can say it, but it's a pandemic, it's other thing. So riots also, and there are innumerable ways where we can transfer our risk to the other party or to other companies, but the main and the most important thing is the method of risk transfer or reducing your risk or minimizing your risk is the insurance. So you can transfer the risk by buying insurance against that risk. Like if you are buying a fire insurance, so the fire insurance protects when there is anything happens or loss happens by the cause of fire. So let's see what are the types of insurance. I'm not going too fast now. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
You're audible and not
basically there are two types of insurance. One is life insurance and other is non-life, that is general insurance. In general insurance, there is motor insurance. Motor insurance is basically insurance taken for car, trucks, motorcycles, or the vehicles on road, where we get financial protection against the physical damage of the same. And IRDA ने, because that's motor insurance को compulsory किया हुआ है, that is third party insurance को compulsory किया हुआ है because it's the main thing. And the other one is you can see is fire insurance. It guarantees any loss caused by fire. And the third one is health insurance. Health insurance is very, very important in today's scenario, in this pandemic situation, because in this, because the hospital bills are rising so much day by day and year by year. And like abhi corona ke situation mein, if घर में किसी एक को कोरोना हुआ है तो सारी फैमिली ऑब्वियसली इफेक्ट होती है, नहीं भी होती है, बट स्टिल किसी को हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की जरूरत होती है, कोई होम आइसोलेशन में ठीक होता है। लेकिन जब हॉस्पिटलाइज होता है तो हॉस्पिटल के बिल्स इट्स लाइक बहुत ज्यादा आते हैं, इट्स 3-4 लाख तक भी पहुंच जाता है। एंड आपको भी पता है कितना स्कैम चलता है हॉस्पिटल बिल्स में। तो इफ यू आर इंश्योर्ड और अभी तक अगर नहीं हो तो प्लीज आज ही हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लो, बिकॉज हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स योर इन्वेस्टमेंट, टुवर्ड्स योर एसेट्स। बिकॉज हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस लेना एक एसेट ही है एक आपकी तरफ से कि आपके पास आपका हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है, अगर कुछ हुआ तो आपकी कंपनी वो चीज फंड करेगी rather than आपकी सेविंग्स। बिकॉज अगर कुछ भी होता है, हॉस्पिटल के बिल आते हैं तो आपकी सेविंग्स पूरी हिल जाती है एंड पूरा आपका बजट ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है। सो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इज मस्ट। सो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस इज द इंश्योरेंस विच कवर मेडिकल एंड सर्जिकल एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल हु इज इंश्योर्ड। आपका प्री एंड पोस्ट हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, डॉक्टर्स के एक्सपेंसेस, रूम रेंट, हॉस्पिटल का रूम रेंट ऑब्वियसली, तो वो सारी चीजें हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कवर करता है। And the fourth one is marine insurance. This insurance covers the loss of damage of ships, cargoes, terminals, etc., and any transport by which the property is transferred, acquired, or held between the points of origin and the final destination. Like origin start to end, final destination, अगर कुछ होता है कार्गो शिप एंड वो, तो उसका इंश्योरेंस इज नोन एज मरीन इंश्योरेंस। तो वो फिर समथिंग हैपेंस टू द शिप और कुछ भी, तो वो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी उसकी पर्टिकुलर जिससे उसने लिया है वो प्रोवाइड करेगी फंडिंग। So many other types of insurance are also there: travel insurance, mobile insurance, even the professional indemnity insurance is also there. It is the business insurance, typically for the organization that provide consultation or any professional services to its clients. So for each and everything there is insurance. Now let's come towards the most important thing, that is life insurance. Life insurance is like ensure a peaceful life by insuring yourself and your family. So if you are insured तो आपकी family automatically insured हो जाती है, उनको financial security मिल जाती है। So what is life insurance? Life insurance provides a tax-free lump sum of money called death benefit to a designated beneficiary after your death. So you choose the type of policy you need, number of years you want it to last, and coverage amount, and make premium payments to the insurance company. Like, and if you die while your life insurance policy is active, your beneficiaries can file a claim and death benefit will be paid out to them. Because insurance थोड़ा सा negative सोचता है, because risk is also a negative thing कि कुछ भी हो सकता है, it's a negative thing, but उसके लिए planning करना is insurance, or and everyone should be insured basically. So life insurances are basically two types. One is term life insurance and the other one is permanent life insurance. In term life insurance, what you do is you pay the premium if something bad happens in that term or period of time. There is a benefit paid out of it to your beneficiaries. Means you are not enjoying the cash benefit, your family members are not enjoying, but it's like financial security are given to them. And if nothing happens, you are nothing paid out of it, but just कि आपने 10 years का अगर मान लो term insurance लिया है तो आपने 10 years जो भी premium भरा, that is after 10 years you are not insured, आपको फिर से term insurance लेना पड़ेगा या उसको renew कराना पड़ेगा, because वो 10 years के बाद you are not insured, and you will not get any cash benefit out of it. And what is permanent life insurance? In this life insurance, there is basically a investment component is there. So you will get you can accumulate your cash out of it. So benefits of taking permanent life insurance is the investment component is there. You can treat it as a financial investment of yours, and it grows tax free. The return which the maturity benefit you will get, the cash benefit, it's a tax free thing. And you can also borrow a loan against your policy. If you have taken a policy and you want some loan out of that policy, you can borrow it. It's basically on the need based. For example, you can buy a plan on need based also, for child education, for your retirement, and for your marriage, education, etc. जैसे कि मान लो कि आपको कोई you have planned, your son or daughter is 4 years old or 5 years old, तो उसके हिसाब से you can take a plan or policy which is like जब वो 18 years का होगा, and for higher education जब 20 years का होगा, तो that policy will fund you, क्योंकि वो पॉलिसी तब मैच्योर होगी, एंड यू विल गेट अ कैश बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ इट, एंड यू कैन अवेल इट. वैसे ही सेम मैरिज के लिए यू कैन टेक लॉन्गर टर्म लाइक 2025, तो उसके मैरिज के लिए इट्स अ वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल. एंड अल्टरनेटिवली इफ वी सी द टर्म लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, it's like the all payments are put towards the death benefit only. If something happens, then only you will get the cash benefit. And in permanent life insurance, like, you also enjoy the maturity benefit too. Now we can see the benefits of taking life insurance policy. It's a risk cover because it's a guaranteed product. Insurance is a guaranteed product. Risk cover, it's a tax free returns. It's a tax saving components because आपको पता होगा कि 80C में there is a deduction for premium payment for insurance. Capital protected, your capital gets protected because capital protection is very very important in today's scenario, because banks में भी आपको पता है कि वो 1 लाख की गारंटी दे रहे हैं, and banks में भी आपकी capital FDs and all वो protected नहीं है. So it's a guaranteed. ये इधर आप अपना policy में डालो या कुछ भी, you can take single premium also. You have some 50 lakhs or like say you आपने कोई घर सेल किया, so you can secure your money by taking a single premium policy and lock it into your term period of terms, say 20 years, 10 years, or and make it into a pension plan. So when you get like जब 60 years old और जब भी आपको pension चाहिए 50 years से 55 years से, जितना भी term आपने decide किया है, वो term से आपको फिर it's like pension मिलती जाएगी, monthly pension. So you can protect your capital too, and there is a good rate of returns also. So do we need life insurance? Obviously, you can see here a 2020 report by US Federal Reserve Board showed that nearly 40% of adults would have trouble paying a $400 emergency expense, and 12% would be unable to pay the expense in any means. So does anyone depend on your income? If the answer is yes, then you probably need life insurance, obviously. If you know that you are the only whole soul breadwinner of your family, then you must buy insurance, whether permanent or term. It's not that, from your savings, जो भी आपको लगता है affordable है, for financial security of your family. So that when something happens to you, तो जब then the insurance company gives financial security to your company. It's basically जब आप घर नहीं पहुंचे तो आपकी जगह आपकी ये जिससे भी आपने इंश्योरेंस लिया है वो कंपनी पहुंचनी चाहिए कि for the financial security, financial support of your family. And the most important thing कि जब भी आप life insurance ले, always see the claim ratio of the company, because अभी policy बाजार में there are innumerable number of companies who are giving the life insurance, term insurance, and they are giving offers also. But हमेशा अच्छी and the top की companies में जाना चाहिए जिनकी claim ratio always good है, 90+ है. So here, how much life insurance do we need? This is the most important thing, because क्या होता है कि सबके पास हर घर में LIC होती है, हर घर में सब कुछ होता है, लेकिन कितनी है, that is most important. कोई 5 लाख की ले रखा है, कोई 2 लाख की, 1 लाख की, तो he is like I am secure, but उसको कितना मिलने वाला है? 1 लाख अकॉर्डिंग टू द इन्फ्लेशन रेट देखा जाए तो वो कुछ भी नहीं है, तो इसलिए यू मस्ट बी इंश्योर्ड विद द रीजनेबल अमाउंट ऑफ इंश्योरेंस, दैट इज लेस इंश्योरेंस इज एज गुड एज नो इंश्योरेंस, फिर आपके पास लाइक है ही नहीं वो माना जाता है. So for example, like see here, most insurance companies say reasonable amount of life insurance is 6 to 10 times the amount of salary, annual salary. Say कि आपकी 10 lakhs per annum salary है, so you should have insurance of sum assured say 60 lakhs to 1 crore. And for example, the second thing is another way to calculate the amount of life insurance needed is to multiply your annual salary by the number of years left until retirement. Say कि you are 30 years old, तो after 30 years you are retired, like 60 में आपको retire होना है, तो 30 years is still remaining, तो आपको कितना insurance 10 times, that is 30 into 10 lakhs is 3 crores of rupees कि आपकी 10 lakhs annual salary है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू इन्फ्लेशन रेट आपके पास 3 करोड़ का इंश्योरेंस होना चाहिए एट द टाइम ऑफ रिटायरमेंट. तो आपको अपना कॉर्पस धीरे धीरे स्टेप बाय स्टेप होगा, ऐसा नहीं कि आप एक ही पॉलिसी 3 करोड़ की लो, ऐसा नहीं जरूरी है. आप अलग अलग पॉलिसी अलग अलग ड्यूरेशन में भी ले सकते हो कि आपके पास एक साथ प्रीमियम पेमेंट का बर्डन नहीं आए. सो इट्स लाइक कि आपने ये साल ले ली 5 लाख की, देन नेक्स्ट ईयर 10 लाख की ले ली, एंड उसका प्रीमियम पेमेंट ऐसा रखा कि दोनों में 6 मंथ्स का गैप हो, तो आप उसके लिए अपने बजट भी बना सके. एंड तो इस हिसाब से आपको अपनी फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू इंश्योरेंस की करनी चाहिए. सो ऑलवेज थिंक व्हाट यू नीड, लाइक फॉर व्हाट यू नीड, लाइक जिसके लिए आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो वो आपकी नीड है, तो आप उसके लिए पॉलिसी लो. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल एजुकेशन इज द नीड, रिटायरमेंट इज द नीड, you want to buy a car, you want to go to a foreign tour, so it's not a need, it's your want. So basically आप need based buying करो. So always think what you need as compared to what you want. So it's basically very nice to having what you need based buying होगी तो आपको आपके जो इंश्योरेंस आपने लिया है वो आपके लिए बहुत फ्रूटफुल रहेगा. So basically save at least 30% of your income every month. Set up an emergency fund equal to 9 months expenses. आपके पास इतना emergency fund होना चाहिए कि 9 months तक without any income you can survive. And take life insurance equal to say 20 times of your annual income, or 6 to 10 is also enough, not 20 times HNIs के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. And get a health cover of at least 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs का health cover सबके पास होना चाहिए because health insurance बहुत कंपल्सरी है, एंड 10 lakhs पूरी फैमिली के कवर के लिए बहुत माइन्यूट सा है, कब जाता है पूरे ईयर में पता नहीं चलता. सो इट्स लाइक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So there is private versus LIC. There are many brands in insurance companies, so you can see the top 10 brands and you can buy insurance from that only because उनका claim ratio you can see कितना overall बहुत अच्छा है, and हमेशा claim settlement उनका बहुत अच्छा है. claim settlement में वो लोग कोई problem create नहीं करता है, and कैसे भी हो आपको, वही मैंने जैसे बोला कि आप घर नहीं पहुंचे तो वो कंपनी, ये सारी कंपनी आपके घर पहुंचेगी आपको फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी, आपकी फैमिली को फाइनेंशियल सिक्योरिटी देने के लिए. सो टाटा ग्रुप, LIC, रिलायंस, इन्फोसिस, स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, HDFC, महिंद्रा ग्रुप, इंडियन ऑयल, HCL, एयरटेल, इनका आप चाहे टर्म इंश्योरेंस लो चाहे परमानेंट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस लो, ऑल आर वेरी गुड प्लान्स आते हैं. So how basically insurance works? Insurance is basically a agreement and a contract between a company and you, that insurance company. And insurance जितनी भी company है, that is regulated by the IRDA. जैसे कि सेबी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज को रेगुलेट करता है, IRDA इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज को रेगुलेट करता है, तो वो सब कंपनीज IRDA के अंडर ही आती है. जो भी कंपनीज हो पहले उनको IRDA को उधर सर्टिफाइड करना पड़ता है अपने आप को, देन ओनली द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कैन बी स्टार्टेड. So firstly you have to pay the premium, the first premium, and to the insurance company, and you can avail the maturity benefit after your term, say 20 years, 10 years, जो भी आपका term है उसके बाद you can claim, and if something happens then also you can claim the benefit. So here I can give you the one policy example, that is the Jeevan Umang, one of the most sellable plan of LIC, that is plan number 945 Jeevan Umang. Here I can give you the example. He's Mr. Ram. The age is 35 years old. He's taking Jeevan Umang plan of 50 lakhs sum assured, and premium paying period is 20 years. So he have to premium paying period matlab he has to pay the premium for 20 years. And the mode of premium is you can pay yearly, half yearly, quarterly, monthly, anyone, any can. And with GST premium, if you take 50 lakhs of plan, it's a whole life plan. So the basic premium comes, yearly premium is 2,63,795 and monthly is 22,438 for 50 lakhs of sum assured. So what life cover you can get, you can see here the big change from 50 lakhs to 5 crores, 9 lakhs. At the age of 35, you have started, the yearly premium is 2,75,000 with GST. And at the age of 55, because 20 years you are paying the premium, so at the age of 55, 20 years completed, you start availing the maturity benefit, 8% of the sum assured, that is 4 lakh, 8% of 50 lakhs, that is 4 lakhs annually. And this you can avail at the age, till the age of 100, and the total amount comes to 5 crore. So here the total premium you have paid is 54 lakhs, 54 lakhs 536, and the total return is 6 crore 89 lakhs. The tax you have saved is 9 lakhs 54,000. So the maturity benefit you are availing is lifelong maturity benefit. After 20 years you have started 4 lakhs, ये आपने enjoy करा. Then sum assured is fixed and bonus is fixed. कैसे वो पूरा overall बना, that is I'm saying कि वो 5 crore कैसे होएगा. And the final addition bonus you will get, this LIC only pay. And ये bonus conditions के हिसाब से change होता है, but it's nothing else. मुश्किल से 2 रुपए 3 रुपए ऊपर नीचे होता है, इतना difference नहीं आता. It's जैसे कि मैंने बोला, it's all the guaranteed thing, so there is no worries about that. And the total premium you have paid is 54 lakhs 536. So Mr. Ram pays an annual premium of rupees 2,69,730 for 20 years, guaranteed tax-free survival benefit, और जो survival benefit उनको मिल रहा है, that is tax-free, and it's a kind of pension only. So up to the age of 100, after 20 years, भले ही वो 100 तक चाहिए, मैं आगे टेबल आपको दिखाऊंगी कि वो कैश बेनिफिट कैसे अवेल करेगा. It's a maturity benefit which I'm talking about. So expected maturity amount is 5 crore 9 lakhs. Normal insurance coverage and accidental insurance coverage is available during the term of the policy. And loan and surrender facility is also there. If you don't want to continue this policy, you can surrender it with the cash benefit out of it. See, at the age of 35, he had started the paying premium 2,75,666 with GST. So the normal coverage means the natural death. If something happens from the day one, he is covered with 52,60,000. अगर उसने आज इंश्योरेंस लिया, कल उसको कुछ हो गया, तो उसको इतना अमाउंट मिलेगा. विद अगर वो एक्सीडेंट, ये नेचुरल डेथ होती है तो उसकी फैमिली को, एंड उसके मतलब बेनिफिशियरीज को. एंड अगर एक्सीडेंट की वजह से कुछ होता है, फ्रॉम द डे वन ही इज कवर्ड इन दिस प्लान इज 1 crore 26 lakhs, 1 crore 2,60,000. And first or second year में loan value नहीं होती है. Loan you can't avail loan because first 3 years of your insurance policy is very important, because insurance company भी check करती है you are capable of paying the premium or not. अगर आपने 3 साल रेगुलर प्रीमियम दिया है तो आपकी पॉलिसी अर्ली क्लेम से हटके कंफर्म्ड में आ जाती है. इट्स टाइप ऑफ कंफर्म पॉलिसी. तो और उसके बाद यू कैन अवेल अ लोन ऑन दैट पॉलिसी ओनली. एंड ये होल लाइफ प्लान है, इसलिए इसमें डे 1 से रिटर्न चालू नहीं होती, और कोई भी प्लान में रिटर्न आफ्टर 3rd ईयर ही होती है. So here you can see from age 55, that is after 20 years, उसको returns 4 lakh, मतलब 8% of the sum assured guaranteed इतना तो मिलेगा ही. एंड अगर बीच में समथिंग हैपेंस, तो ये जो नॉर्मल कवरेज की टेबल में अमाउंट है और एक्सीडेंट कवरेज की अमाउंट है, वो अगर एक्सीडेंट से कुछ होता है, मान लो एट द एज ऑफ 50 समथिंग हैपेंस, तो आप देख सकते हो कि उधर भी अमाउंट बढ़ रही है, वो फिक्स्ड नहीं है. बिकॉज नॉर्मल प्लान्स में क्या होता है, अगर आप एंडोमेंट प्लान लेते हो या कोई भी प्लान नॉर्मल बेसिकली LIC का या कोई भी कंपनी का प्लान लेते हो, तो आपका कवरेज रेशियो नहीं बढ़ता है, इसमें आपका कवरेज रेशियो भी ईयर बाय ईयर इंक्रीज हो रहा है, डिक्रीज नहीं हो रहा और फिक्स भी नहीं है. तो यू कैन सी, तो ऐसे आप यहाँ पर इट्स अ प्रॉफिटेबल गुड रिटर्न प्लान. तो एट द एज ऑफ 58 अगर समथिंग हैपेंस, तो नेचुरल डेथ में जो अमाउंट है इट्स 1,159,500, एंड इट्स इन एक्सीडेंट इट्स 1,65,95,000, एंड यू कैन अवेल द लोन ऑफ 21 लाख. यू कैन सी आफ्टर द एज ऑफ 55 जब आपको मेच्योरिटी बेनिफिट मिलना स्टार्ट हो गया है, तब आपकी लोन अमाउंट फिक्स हो जाती है टू 21 लाख, फिर वो इंक्रीज नहीं होगी. तो आप इस पॉलिसी में लोन ले सकते हो इतना. तो ऐसे ये पूरा 100 ईयर तक इसका है. तो आप देख सकते हो 100 ईयर में द मेच्योरिटी बेनिफिट यू आर गेटिंग इज 6 crore, टोटल रिटर्न इज 6,89 lakhs, एंड द टोटल प्रीमियम यू हैव पेड इज 54 lakhs. So it's a very good plan. So thank you so much.